Check this out, guys. Tell me what tune you think these are gonna play. Comment below if you've got an idea. Hey folks, and welcome back. So, we didn't get first in the parade. A little disappointed. But we didn't have these yet either. They came 2 days late, so they didn't make it for the parade. But these play the original Dukes of Hazzard theme song, The Horn from the Duke, from the General Lee. So, only fitting, I thought, we install that in our truck. I mean, who doesn't want that original Hazzard horn? We got to put it on. So here we go. We're going to do some wiring, get it installed, and then run this thing up and down the road and see what the town thinks. Let's try and get their expressions. Well, I read this pretty thoroughly. They didn't give us a wiring harness with it. They just gave us this fuse and directions on how to wire it in. So apparently, let's see, plug 86 is our relay from the horn, and then 85 is a ground. So we got 86 here, 85 here, and then 87 connects to something else. But let's just get to it. We'll start wiring this in. I'm sure 87 goes to the horn and 30 goes to the horn, you know, positive and negative, once you've got positive and negative to the relay. So let's go ahead and get it installed. Compressor up here on the firewall, batteries right here, so shouldn't be too hard to just wire that in. Bam bam. And then the horn's somewhere around here. I'll have to push it to find out, but we're gonna just go ahead and mount these along the inside fender well here. The nuts stick out just a little bit on this side, which isn't too bad. So I don't think they're gonna rub. I think we'll just stack them, boom boom boom, and then maybe wherever we can just really get them to all 5 fit. Hopefully it doesn't change the sound being under the hood like this, but it's definitely gonna at least do something. Hopefully it does exactly what we want. Let's keep going. All right, just a quick heads up to anybody else out there thinking about doing something like this. So the kit came with no wiring. Don't let it fool you, it showed wiring. This set of air hoses only came with enough to hook up 2 of the air horns. Was I supposed to put these right up against it and cut these things down to 4-inch pieces coming right off the end of it? I don't think so. Said to mount it where it'd stay dry and warm, but not get too hot from the engine. Alright, rant's over. Watch what you're buying out there. Don't blow your hard-earned money on this, because I think I'm going to have a talk with the manufacturers. This just doesn't seem right. I mean, that's all they give me. They're not even red air horns like the description said, they're black. Then, for wiring, this is what they give you. Like I said, and a stack of nuts. I don't know. Bad morning for me to be getting on this subject, but I'm about sick of people saying, this is what comes with what you got, this is what you're paying for, and then you get crap like this. I had to go and buy my own wire so I could break this trailer wire down to use the strands to wire in a kit that I already just paid real good money for. Why did I have to go buy wiring? Why am I doing this? Why do I gotta go buy more hose? Good product. Okay, I got the wiring in. Oh no. Dang it. Got a short on the terminal. Just a minute. Let me try this again. Alright, back to what I was saying now that I got that short fixed. Didn't think I was gonna do that, but maybe when I loosened up the terminals. So we're gonna run up and get some air tube and hook up the horns that aren't hooked up, because they only gave me enough tube for 2 horns. Who does that? Oh, she's cold. We'll just warm it up for a minute, and then we'll go. All right. That's how they come out. Just kind of stacked them in there. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the longest 5th pipe went down there just because it had more room to lay on the frame. Hoses go up, wiring coming back. We'll need to clean that up a little bit just because this homemade wiring kit doesn't look the best, but that's what I could do on short term. We'll wrap it with some electrical tape and pretty it up. But let's hear how it sounds. Let's see if I can get this to just stay here without getting out of tripod. There we go. That'll do. Oh, that sounded perfect. Let's go get some town reactions. Like a police hat, man.
No, it's a cowboy's hat, but it needs to be, get lit up. Merry Christmas, brother.
It's not Christmas yet, dude.
I know. I can't wait. I'm never good at that. And I got the kids, I give the kids enough money to buy their own present.
They're a hell of a hat. Joe, I don't know if it fits. You guys want to see what he gave me for Christmas? Oh, swaggin'. What do you
I
think?
think we're done with that.
You don't like that?
I think we're good.
It's so loud.
Yes.
It's so loud. It like echoes through town. I'm having fun with it so far. All right, there's my Mountie hat I got for Christmas. I think we'll just put this up on the dash for now. Guess if I get pulled over, I'll fit right in. Kids just got home from school. They're going out to test the horn. What do you think, buddy?
That's really loud.
That's really loud, huh? Man, it looks like we got the police chasing us. No way. The mud decked out for Christmas. Never thought I was gonna do this, but there was like competition the lights show, and you know me in competitions. I'm looking for one. Batman. Out. Okay. Quick preview in the dark. What do you think? I got the hood right now. So all these lights up here. Well, let's turn this one on. Gotta do it right, I guess. There's the button at. Oh, gotta flip that switch. There it goes. So we got the reef. Got all the lights. Going down both sides, across the roof and around the back. American flags hanging out the back. And a 21-foot deer on the roof. Here we come, Orville Parade. Let's see who wins.